Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my makeup collection. I shared this video last year, but my makeup collection has grown a lot since then. So I thought I would share an updated version with you guys. And I would love to know, as the question of the day, what is one type of makeup that you can't live without? Personally, for me, I couldn't live without mascara. Like, I just feel weird when I'm not wearing it. So that would be my answer. So let me know in the comments down below. But let's just get right into the video. So this is just a little overview of my makeup that is sitting out on my vanity. I'm just going to start over here first. All of my little clear trays are from TJ Maxx. I absolutely love them. They seriously keep me so organized, and I just think they're so cute in my room as well. And my mirror is from Target, in case you guys are wondering. So first, I just have this Blush and Glow 1 palette from Profusion. I also have their Sculpt and Glow palette, which I use on the daily. Absolutely love it. Then I have this really fun eyeshadow palette from them. This has really pretty colors. And then my favorite fall palette. I'm so excited for fall, you guys. It's September and these colors are just beautiful, but they fit into this little tray perfectly. Then in the cute little round holder, I keep my concealers and then my BB creams and moisturizers in here. So I just have the Tarte Shape Tape, the Maybelline Age Rewind, the CoverGirl Better Skin, which I love this one. The NYX Wonder Stick, which is so great because it's a contour and a highlight on each side. Then I have this Alame Correct Conceal. It's great for putting on top of blemishes. It just kind of helps while you're wearing makeup. This CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous, and then I have this CoverGirl Cream Concealer Stick, which is great again for blemishes. And I have 3 of these CoverGirl BB creams. I have 3 different shades. I have this Neutrogena, which is almost gone. It is like a shimmery moisturizing cream. I love using this in the summertime. Then I just have this eye lotion that my aunt gave me along with a moisturizer. And on to my big section of my makeup. So this is actually 2 trays. And it's seriously so helpful because I put all my everyday makeup in here. My makeup collection has seriously grown so much. So in the bottom drawer, I keep more of my palettes. So I just have this Profusion liquid eyeshadow. So came with a eyeshadow stick, which is just so pretty. I have 2 brow kits from them. I have my favorite blush from Essence. I wear this every single day. I have this blush from Bare Minerals. It's beautiful. It's very pink. A little thing from e.l.f. It is a bronzer. I really need to get some more. It's almost gone. My Wet n Wild contouring palette. I have 2 of them. This Fit Me blush as well. I really like this one, but I've been using this one more. And then I have 2 of these Pixie highlight blush kits, and they're so beautiful, especially when you're not wearing a lot of makeup. This is basically like my bronzing, highlighter, and blush area. And then I just didn't know where to put these two eyeshadows. So I've just been keeping those in there. Then this is my lip drawer. I love lipstick. I'm starting to become a lipstick collector. I seriously just love it. I'm going to take this whole drawer out to show you all of my favorite ones. So I'm wearing this one today. It is Pixie's matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Matte Beige. It's so pretty. Another one that I wear a lot is this one. I really love the more neutral colors, and this is in the shade Bare Beauty. It kind of has more of an orange tone. This one's really pretty. Again, a very similar color, and it is in the shade Pastel Petal. Love this one. I also have been loving this bronze lip gloss from Mary Kay. Then I just have this really pretty red lip that I wore recently, and this is in the shade Red Red. And then I put this lip gloss on top of it, and so many of you guys were asking questions about it. So this is from Stay Glossy. I've had it for a while, and it is in color Treasure Hunt. It's such a pretty color combination because it's so fun. Then I just have some lip toppers from Profusion. I have 2 of these. I love them. This is the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lipstick. I have a color boost from Essence, some lip gloss, some of the Kylie lip kits, some chapstick, some more Pixie lip liners. I don't really use lip liners all that much, and then I keep all my glosses over here, and then some like liquid lips. So this is just a chapstick that's really old. I have a matte lipstick that's in this really fun pink color, a red lipstick, but then all of these are just lip glosses. I love wearing a fun lip gloss, especially if it like matches your outfit. Like if I have a pop of red, I'm gonna put red lip gloss on. Then I have this little drawer of mascaras. This one is my current favorite. It is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. It works wonders and I love wearing it with this one. This is the I Heart Extreme from Essence. Just a great combination. I'll put this one on first and then put this one on second. I've been loving this Deck of Scarlet mascara. I don't think that one is a drugstore product. I have two CoverGirl mascaras. This little one of Better Than Sex mascara. It's like a sample size, and this one is so similar to the L'Oreal one. I love them. This one is great. I haven't used it for a while, but it is the NYX The Hype mascara, and this stuff is seriously so cheap, but it works wonders. I have two of these. They're Last Sensational Maybelline mascara. One of them's waterproof and one of them isn't. And then I just have the Tarteist mascara from Tarte. I got this in a little kit, so I just got like a little sample size of everything. And these drawers just slide in so easily. Then over here I keep all of my highlighters, and I seriously love adding highlight even if I don't have any makeup on. This is the one I've been wearing the most. The packaging is like all gone because I just take it with me everywhere, but it's from Pixi and it is in the Delicate Dew. I love swirling my highlight brush around both to mix the colors. It's just so pretty because it's like a nice beachy bronze but also a little bit of pink. Then I have the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, which is great as a base if you really want a popping highlight. I have the Essence Pure Nude. This one's really pretty as well. I have the other Pixi highlight, and this one is in the shade Subtle Sunrise. I don't really wear this one as much, but it is very pretty. It's just kind of more of an orangey highlight. This is my absolute fave. I think it's like $3 at CVS, and it is a Wet n Wild highlight stick. This is great if you're on the go and just need a quick little makeup touch up. It just adds the perfect glow. I haven't used this in forever. I wanted to try it out. It's like $1. It's from e.l.f. I just didn't get a lot of highlight, like a pop-in highlight from it. I heard so many good reviews about it. I personally didn't think it was worth the hype. Oh my gosh, I forgot I had this. This is the Bare Minerals highlight. It's so gorgeous, you guys. I need to use that. Then I got these two little highlights, which I used to use all the time. From some Instagram collab I did, and I can't remember the name, but the highlight is seriously so gorgeous. Another Bare Minerals one, and then I did try the High Beam from Benefit, and I really liked it. I keep this in here because I keep telling myself I'm going to rebuy it, and I just never get around to doing so. And that's just like in those drawers. And then into this little top section, it has its own little drawer, and I keep some of my eyeshadows in here. So I just got these two eyeshadow cream crayons in my FabFitFun box. I've been loving this one. It's like a really pretty creamy color. Then I have two Bare Mineral eyeshadows. It's kind of like a darker color. I don't really wear them that often. And then like black, I hardly ever wear. This pretty brown color pop one. I'm not sure of the shade. Millionaire, super pretty. My first PR package came with these Pixi liquid glitter eyeshadow things. I haven't used them yet, but they're super pretty. And then I just have this tiny little eyeshadow palette. I used to use these two colors all the time. They're just perfect. Haven't used this for a while. And then there's this little brown Maybelline eyeshadow palette in there. I used to use that to fill in my brows. And that is all that's in the drawers. So then in this top section, it's kind of random, but I keep my Tarteist Tease eyeshadow palette. I will throw this in any makeup bag if I'm going out. It just has the perfect colors, great smoky eye, or if you're just wearing really natural, I'll stick with these colors. The palette's beautiful. I have some fake eyelashes, some eyelash glue, these little tiny monograms that go on your nails, and this little nail file keychain, some leftover bobby pins, and then I keep my current beauty blender in here, and then I just like lightly put these tweezers on here, so I have a few pairs of tweezers. All of my eyebrow products along with eyeliners, so I just have this one from Essence. I have a NYX brow pen, and then this is my favorite eyeliner that I use every single day. It is just from CoverGirl. My favorite eyeliner is just from CoverGirl. I just use this part, but you can like smudge it at the top because it has a little sponge for that. Don't really use that all that much. And just like more brow products and stuff. And then I just have the Saint-Tropez self tanning. It's for an instant glow. I have some tea tree oil, which I used to use in high school if I ever had any acne going on. My foundation, which is the Fit Me Dewy Smooth, and I am the shade 120. I'm like super pale, you guys, so this is just in classic ivory. I have my eyelash curler, a brand new beauty blender. This one is an exfoliating beauty blender, which is awesome. Cleaning Clear moisturizer, some of my favorite baby skin instant pore eraser. This is from Maybelline. This is like a primer, and then I have this little face wash thing that I haven't tried out yet. Then if you open up the drawer of this desk, I have a few more products. So I just have all of my favorite nail polishes in here. They're super random. Honestly, I kind of wear the same colors often. I usually just wear this Ezzy one, and it is in the shade Munchy Munchy. I'm currently wearing it right now. I will use this one a lot. This is in Cashmere from Live Love Polish. I like having like more neutrals. I do have some pinks and whites, and then just like this gel product, some extra scrunchies, this foot lotion. This is something I haven't tried out. It's from the Better Skin Company. I've heard so many good reviews about this. It was in my FabFitFun box. Then I also have this lotion that I got in FabFitFun, and it seriously smells so good. It is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and I love it. Then I just keep extras over here. So I have this like spray on legs of extra mascara, extra blush, and extra highlight. I love these products. A new beauty blender, some whitening strips, some nail designs, my self tanner, and a little mirror. And then if I turn around, I have a few more beauty products. This cute little bucket clear container that I picked up at TJ Maxx. I just have a few more of these Pixie matte lipsticks. They sent me their whole collection, which was awesome. I keep some extra fake lashes that are from Flirtatious Lashes, and all of my makeup brushes, most of them are from Real Techniques or e.l.f. And then I have two palettes from Pixie that look just like this. Oops. And another Profusion palette, and then this really fun pink Profusion palette, but I just keep those back here. And then I always forget I have my makeup setting spray in the back right here. This seriously is the biggest game changer, especially if you wear your makeup for a really long time. But that is all of my makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. And again, let me know in the comments down below what kind of makeup you couldn't live without as the question of the day. And I'll see you guys back here very soon with my next video. Bye guys!